What's up guys? In this video we're gonna start with the full wrap, but this video we're gonna do the hood wrap. I'm gonna show you how to wrap a hood today. Let's do it. Okay guys, now we're ready to start with the full wrap. Today we're gonna do just the hood in this video, okay? But before that I have to wash the car and I'm gonna clean, I'm gonna remove all the dirt from the car, okay? So let me do that next. Okay, the car is ready, clean, and now let's start with the installation of the hood. Let's do it. Okay, remember to clean under the hood, this part, before you do the wrap, because it has a lot of dirt here, so clean that too. Alright? Okay, now let me show you how to use the clay bar. I have the clay bar here and I have a little bit of glue. My paint is very clean, but if your car is a little bit dirty and it has like 3 spots, use the clay bar and the whole hood, but mine is very clean. So I'm just gonna clean this glue and then with this one and it's clean. Let me show you. See, no more glue. So the clay bar is amazing. My hood is clean, but if your hood is dirty, clean. This is a little bit of water with alcohol, and with the clay bar, put water first, like this, and then do the clay bar, like, okay? So that's how to use the clay bar. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of tack reducer. This one, it helps when the vinyl glue is very strong. I'm gonna use this one because of that. Also, another important thing, remember to put a new buffer to your squeegee, okay? I'm gonna put the link for all the tools in the description of the video down below. Okay, the vinyl, sometimes the vinyls are directional. I always like to do this, put an arrow on the direction, so that way I know that goes to the top. This is my sheet for the hood, and on the roll I put this. Just in case the roller gets flipped, I know what direction the vinyl goes. This means that goes up and the other part is gonna be on the bottom, okay? So this is very important. The vinyl is direction, not all of them, but this one I think is direction. Just to be safe, always do this. And I already have my new material that I'm gonna put for the new wrap, okay? And the vinyl brand is Vinyl Frog. I'm gonna put the link for this company in the description of the video down below, because they're gonna have a Black Friday discount, okay? If you wanna get good prices, the link is gonna be in the description down below. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with the hood wrap. The first step is place the vinyl on top and make sure that it's covering the whole hood. And then I like to peel one a little bit on the sides, and then remove the backing paper. But in this case I'm only gonna do the half, because this one, the glue is very strong. So I'm gonna start from the middle to one side, okay? So remove the wrinkles first by lifting the vinyl, and then when you lift the vinyl, stretch it and then use the squeegee and do it little by little, okay? Don't do the whole thing at one time, because this vinyl is the glue is strong, so you have to do it little by little. But if you have a 3M material, you can stretch the whole thing and remove the wrinkles first, but this one is different material. As you can see, I lift the vinyl, use the heat, and then I place it and use the squeegee. And now in this side, somebody has to lift the vinyl and heat it up, and the other person has to pull the vinyl because my hood is big and it doesn't cover the whole hood. So as you can see, I'm stretching the vinyl and my wife is helping me here to stretch it more in order for me to reach the whole hood with the one sheet of vinyl, because I don't want to do any seams. I want to put it in one piece, this vinyl. So I'm heating up using the squeegee and then stretching. Heat up, use the squeegee and stretch at the same time, and do it little by little. I'm doing it little by little, like this one, like this. Heat, squeegee and stretch, heat, squeegee and stretch. Okay, and start from the center, and from the center you can move to the sides, okay, to the front and sides. Unfortunately, the battery died for the camera, but you get the idea. For this kind of hood, because the vinyl is not wide enough for the edges, I had to heat it up and then pull, but I can't do it by myself, so my wife helped me. Okay, so you have to heat the vinyl up and then pull and stretch it, because if I don't do that, the vinyl, it'll be till here. Okay, and I didn't want to put a seam like I did on the last time. Okay, so I did it in one piece. Okay, so that's the only thing. But for this type of vinyl, this vinyl is a little bit thicker, same thing as Innosteck. You have to pull a little bit harder because it's thicker, but 3M is easier. It's a little bit thinner and you can stretch it easier. The next step is just to cut the edge. That's the only thing left. Leave a little bit like 1/8 of an inch extra, but before you cut, do a little bit of heat it up to get rid of these wrinkles. Okay, let me show you. You see those wrinkles? Just a little bit of heat, and then you can cut it and tuck it under. And that's the last step for this hood wrap. Okay guys, the hood is ready, but let me show you the details. So in here you can see no bubbles, so you have to lift it and then fit the vinyl on the crease of this one. Okay, and in here you see the corners. Let me open the hood so you can see better. That's the edge. It's very close. Because my car is black, you don't need a lot of vinyl to cover the black. Probably if this is this car were like a white, you can leave it a little bit longer. But other than that, it looks amazing. You see, you can not even see the edge. Look at that. Let's show you the corners here. And see, and here you can see it better. Yeah. Look at that. Amazing. Maybe I have to press a little bit better. You can see all the edge. Okay, so you can see how it looks. Looks great. It's amazing. Okay, the hood. Okay, so this is how you do the hood wrap. This one is a little bit harder because my hood is very wide, but most of the hoods are till here and maybe till here. You don't have to worry about that part. Okay guys, this is how you wrap a hood, but this hood is different hood because this is a sport car and the hood is wider. Okay, for this case you need to stretch the vinyl. You need two people or two person or two people to do this kind of hood. One person is gonna stretch the vinyl and the other one person is gonna be using the heat gun. But not all the hoods are like that. Okay, regular hoods you don't need to stretch it and you can do it by yourself, but a big hood like this one, it requires two people to do it. Okay, but if you have a question, put it in the comments. Okay, and let me know why you think. Okay, and also this is the color that we're gonna wrap the Supra. This is the color reveal. Okay, and hit the notification bell because we are gonna continue doing part by part. I'm gonna be explaining how to do each part. Okay, subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you like the video, please like the video, that helps the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one and see you on the next video.